Hello guys, welcome to Hankins Custom Rifles and another episode of Hank's TV. Today is February the 2nd, 2018, and we're here fluting rifle bolts. And if you guys watched my previous video, you know I said I was only going to flute rifle bolts until the end of January. Well, I've got so many to flute and so many coming in, and people are still calling me, wanting me to flute their bolts. I've decided to extend the deadline out until the end of February. So you've got until the end of this month, 28 days total. We got 26 days left. Get your bolts in a box, get them shipped to me, and I'll flute them at a price that you'll never be able to match again. It's $30 for the first bolt. It's $25 for every extra bolt that you send me in the same box. And we've got several patterns that we can choose from, and I'll show you what those are here right now. Let's pick them out here. And then we're going to flute one for you on the camera when we get around here to it. But these are the patterns. I'll hold them up here so maybe the camera will focus on them. This here is the 6 flute diamond. That's a pretty nice pattern, and we're using a flat bottom cutter now. In the original video I showed you me fluting them with a ball nose end mill. I decided that that was not a very productive way to do these, so I changed out the cutting tool to an insert type of tool, and it cuts a nice flat bottom flute in there. This is the 6 flute diamond. This would be an 8. Now this is a 6 flute spiral. Okay, and then we're going to jump over to the 8 flute diamond, and the diamonds get a little smaller. And then we jump over here to an 8 flute spiral. So whatever you guys decide you like, just let me know if you like the diamonds or the spirals, and then 8 or 6. So whenever you do 8, everything gets a little smaller. With the 6 flute, everything's a little bigger. So if you want to, we'll zoom in here real quick on this bolt that's in the machine. I've already got this one set up to run. I've got my program ready to call up. All we got to do is start it. And I've got to close the door up. We're going to get wet. We had to move the camera real quick, guys. When I closed the door, you couldn't see in there. Just a quick little demonstration on how we're fluting the bolts here. They're flooded with coolant. We're using an indexable carbide cutter in there. Now we got one more flute to cut. And there you have it, fellas. That's a 6 flute spiral on that bolt right there. I've got a few more to do. Okay guys, we just finished that bolt that's in the machine. We put the 6 flute spiral in it. I've got 20 some odd actions here left I got to get done. I'll do those up this week. I'm going to flute the bolts, like I said, until the end of the month, February 2018. So get me those bolts mailed off. If you need my address, you can find it on the website at hankinscustomrifles.com, or you can call me at the shop, 859-428-2336, and I can tell you what you got to do to pack these up and ship them out here. It's real easy. I'll get them fluted and back to you within a week, and it's $30 for the first bolt, $25 for every extra bolt. You'll never find them priced at that price again. So get them down here before the special is over. And until next time, guys, you guys have a good day.